Oke, tadi siapa explanation? Who will read the text? Mbak Era tadi.
Yeah, Mom.
Mbak Era.
Yes. A brief summary of speech production. Speech production is made possible by a specialist movement of our vocal organ that generates speech sound wave. Like all sound production, speech production requires a source of energy. The source of energy for speech production is the steady stream of air that comes from the lungs as we exhale. When we breathe normally, the air stream is inaudible. To become audible, the air stream must vibrate rapidly. The vocal cord causes the air stream to vibrate. As we talk, the vocal cord opens and closes rapidly, chopping up the steady air stream onto a series of puffs. The puffs are heard as a buzz, but this buzz is still not speech. To produce speech sound, the vocal tract must change shape. During speech, we continually alter the shape of the vocal tract by moving the tongue and lips, etc. This movement changes the acoustic properties of the vocal tract, which in turn produce the different sound of speech. Done, Mom.
Yeah, okay. A brief summary of speech production. What is the main idea of the text, Mbak?
About speech production. Speech production.
Okay. Speech production. What is the difference between explanation and also analytical exposition? Sorry, explanation and procedure. The difference.
Kalau prosedur itu explain langkahnya gitu, Mom. Langkah-langkah untuk membuat atau menggunakan sesuatu.
Kalau yang explanation?
To explain about something or things.
Yes, okay. Next slide, Mbak. If you would like to get the main idea of explanation text, what is the writing strategy applied?
Intensive reading, Mom.
Intensive reading, okay. Mbak Salma, please read, Mbak Salma.
Yes, ma'am. Gene splitting. Generic research has produced both exciting and frightening possibilities. Scientists are now able to create new forms of life in the laboratory due to the development of gene splicing. On the hand, the ability to create life in the laboratory could greatly benefit mankind. For example, because it is very expensive to obtain insulin from natural sources, scientists have developed a method to manufacture it inexpensively in the laboratory. Another beneficial Shell application of gene splicing is in agriculture. Scientists foresee the day when new plants will be developed using nitrogen from the air instead of from fertilizer. Therefore, food production could be increased in addition. Entirely new plants could be developed to feed the world's hungry people. Not everyone is excited about gene splicing. However, some people felt that it could have terrible consequences. A laboratory accident, for example, may cause an epidemic of an unknown that could wipe out humanity. As a result of this controversy, the government has made rules to control genetic experiments. While some members of the scientific community felt that these rules are too strict, many other people felt that they are still not strict enough. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Discussion. Discussion to present at least 2 point of view about an issue. Jadi ada isu, the first one is pro and the other is contra. So what is the main idea of the text, Mbak?
Genetic gene splicing, ma'am.
Yeah. The research has produced both exciting and frightening possibilities. Scientists are now able to create new form of life in the laboratory due to the development of gene splicing. On the hand, the ability to create life in the laboratory could greatly benefit mankind. Ya kan? Ini sudah tahu ya, mental relational material. Comparative contrastive, which one belongs to comparative contrastive? Which one belong comparative contrastive?
One of the hand to two because therefore,
Yeah.
however, while
Okay. Okay, next. Next slide. Procedure. Okay, we will read the text. Procedure. Mbak Fatika, please.
Yes, ma'am. Procedure. The whole game. 2 players. 1 marble per person. A hole in ground. A line distance to start from. First, you must click marble together. Then you must check that the marble are in good condition and are nearly worth the same value. Next, you must dig a hole in the ground and draw a line of height distance away for the hole. The first player carefully throws this or her marble towards the hole. Then the second player tries to throw his or her marble closer to the hole than his or her opponent. The player whose marble is closest to the hole tries to flick his or her marble into the hole. If successful, this player tries to flick his or her opponent's marble into the hole. The person flicking the last marble into the hole wins and gets to keep both marbles. Finish, Mom.
Yeah, okay. 1 marble per person, a hole in ground. Line distance to start from. First, you must dab. Then you must check that the markers are in good condition and unevenly worth the same value. Next, you must dig a hole in the ground and draw a line in a fair distance away from the hole. The first player carefully throws his or her marble towards the hole. Then the second player tries to throw his or her marble closer to the hole than his or her opponent. The player whose marble is closest to the hole tries to flick his or her marble into the hole if successful. This player tries to flick his or her opponent's marble into the hole. The person flicking the last marble into the hole wins and gets to keep both marbles. Significant lexicogrammatical features, temporal conjunctions, or numbering. Focus on generalized human agents. Which one belongs to generalized human agents?
You, the first players.
Yeah, okay.
Employing method.
What is the main idea? The whole game, right? Next
Yes.
slide. Snake in the path. Who would read the next?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Snake in the bed. How would you like to find a snake in your bed? A nasty one, too. We had just moved into a new house which had been empty for so long that everything was in a terrible mess. Anna and I decided we would clean the bed first. So we sat to and turned on the tap. Suddenly, to my horror, a snake had appeared in the plug hole. Then out slid her the rest of his long, thin body. He twisted and turned on the slippery bottom of the bed, spitting and hissing at us. For an instant, I stood there quite paralyzed. Then I yelled for my husband, who luckily, who luckily come running and killed the snake with the handle of a broom. Anna, who was only 3 at the time, was quite interested in the whole business. Indeed, I had to pull her out of the way, or she'd probably have leaned over the bed to get a better look. We found out later that if it was a black mamba, a, a poisonous kind of snake, it had officially been fast asleep, curled up at the bottom of the nice warm water pipe. It must have had an awful shock when the cold water came trickling down, but nothing to the shock I got. Ever since that, I've always put the plug in firmly before running the bed water.
Okay, significant grammatical features, exclamation, rhetorical question. Rhetorical question, what is rhetorical question?
A rhetorical question is, how would you like to find a snake in your bed? A nasty one too, and quite, and it must have had an awful shock when the cold water come trickling down, but nothing to the shock I got.
Okay,
Itu,
what
Mom.
is the meaning of rhetorical question?
Question yang tidak memerlukan jawaban, Mom.
Yes, you're right. Next slide. Next slide, Mbak Ali. Tone contaminated. Mbak Salma, please. Mbak Salma udah ya. Mbak Anel. Mbak Anel udah belum? Mbak Nisa Ulfatun.
Yes, ma'am. Gimana? Maaf.
Next, tone contaminated. Mbak, please read the text.
Ya, ma'am. Town contaminated. Moscow, a Russian journalist, has uncovered evidence of another Soviet nuclear catastrophe which killed 10 sailors and contaminated an entire town. Yelena Wozrahevsky is the first journalist to speak to people who witnessed the explosion a nuclear submarine at the naval base of Skotov 22 near Vladivostok. The accident, which occurred 13 months 13 months before the Chernobyl disaster, spread radioactive fallout over the base and nearby town, but was covered up by officials of the then Soviet Union. Residents were told the explosion in the reactor of the Victor class submarine during a refit had been a thermal and not a nuclear explosion, and those involved in the cleanup operation to remove more than 600 tons of contaminated material were sworn to secrecy. A board of investigators was later to describe it was the worst accident in the history of the Soviet Navy. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Tone contaminated. What is the reading strategy which you applied for getting the main idea of the text? Skimming, scanning, intensive or extensive reading.
Intensive, man.
Yeah. Intensive. Okay. What is the main idea of the text? What is the main idea of the text, Mbak?
Paragraf pertama itu ya, Mem.
Ya, oke. Terus apa lagi? Who is the journalist who speak the people who witnessed the explosion of nuclear submarine? Who is
Yelena
this journalist?
Vaskia itu loh, Mem. Kayaknya itu ya.
Yeah. What is the problem? What is the news? Viral news reported by Yelena.
Yang kena itu ya, apa? Yang kena nuklir itu ya, Mem. The
Yeah.
explosion on nuclear submarine.
Yeah, okay. Next slide. Mbak Ajeng, please read reviews.
Yes, ma'am. Reviews Private Life Sparkle. Science of private lives in 1930 with Dryden's two leading sophisticated Noel Coward and Gertrude Lawrence. In the lead, the play has tended to be seen as a vessel for stars. Cute Academy of the Arts production boasted no stars, but Stanley folded potential stars in a sparkling performance that brought out just how fine a piece of the craftsmanship Coward's play is. More than 60 years later, what new could be deduced from so familiar a theme? Director Rod Weisler highly perspective approach went beyond the glittery surface of the witty banner to the darker, implicating Bennett. With the shifting of attitudes to social values, it became clear that Victor and Sybil were potentially the more admirable of the couples, with standards better adjusted than the volatile and self-indulgent Elliot and Amanda. The wit was there, dexterously ping-ponged to and fro by a vibrant and a suave Elliot or Daniel Kelly. Julie Eckersley Sibyl was a delightful correction. And Phillips Cameron Smith, more serious playing, was just right for Victor. Jodie Levescon was a superb French maid. James Macklin said captured the 30s atmosphere with many subtle touches. All involved deserve the highest praises. Done, Mom.
Okay. What do you know about reviews? Genre about reviews. What do you know, Mbak?
The social function, yeah, Mom.
Okay. Social
To
function
critique
ya.
an artwork or even for a public audience, such works of art include movies, TV shows, books, plays, opera, recording, exhibitions, concert, and ballets.
Yeah, okay. Next slide. Okay, for your English final test, I will show you text through Zoom, and then I ask you the main idea and specific question will be delivered for every student. Will be delivered by me. What I mean here is, for example, here, I would like to show you a text, and then I ask you the main idea. What is reading strategy applied for getting main idea? And then, apalagi next? Specific question based on the text. Pertanyaan yang ini berhubungan dengan teks ini apa, kayak gitu. Next slide. Sorry, yang slide yang tadi. What is the main idea? Sorry, what is the genre of the text? Genre-nya apa ini?
Recount, ma'am.
What, Mom?
Ya. What is the type of text here, Mbak? Climbing the Merapi Mountain.
Recount text, Mom.
Recount text. Okay, good. Recount text. So what is the part for the first paragraph?
The first is orientation.
Yeah. Second.
Second is the event.
Yes. Third.
Event 2. And then the last is reorientation, Mom.
Reorientation. I think the vocabulary is easy, right? Next slide. Laptop as students' friends, please. Mbak Era Amandasari.
Ya, Mom, gimana?
Please read, Mbak Era. Laptop as students' friends.
Ya, Mom. Laptop as students' friends. Conventionally, student needs book, pen, eraser, drawing book, ruler, and such other stuff. Additionally, in this multimedia era, students need more to reach their progressive development. Student needs mobile keyboard to record every presented subject easily. Of course, it will need more cost, but it will deserve for its function. First, modern schools tend to apply fast transferring knowledge because the school needs to catch the target of curriculum. Every subject will tend to be given in demonstrative method. Consequently, students need extra media cover the subject. Since there is a laptop on every student's desk. This method will help students to get better understanding. Secondly, finding an appropriate laptop is not difficult as it was. Recently, there is an online shop which provides comprehensive information. The best is that the shop has service of online shopping. The student just need to browse that online online shop, decide which computer or laptop they need, and then complete the transaction. After that, the laptop will be delivered to the students' houses. That is really easy and save time and money. From all of that, having mobile computer is absolutely useful for students who want to catch the best result for their study. Buying laptop online is advisable because it will cut the price. This online way is known since online shop also provides several laptop types. Students just need to decide which type they really need. Finish, Mom.
Thank you, Mbak. What is the type of genre of the text here?
Report text, Mom.
Report text, okay. Report. Laptop as students' friends.
Exposition, Mom.
Exposition, yeah. What is the last paragraph called? Paragraf terakhir namanya apa, Mbak? Bagiannya. Paragraf terakhir namanya.
Recommendation or resolution? Recommendation, Mom.
Ya, oke. Recommendation, ya. Ada kata advisable. Next slide. Sudah UAS semua ini kalian mata kuliahnya. Ini siapa yang baca? Mbak Stivaldea.
Yes, ma'am. Ini dibaca ya, ma'am?
Ya,
Okay. Writing is a great for money online. The emergence of the internet has given internet entrepreneurs many ways to make money. Writers are one group that have benefit from their talents as a result in the rise of internet-based jobs. Blog writing is an increasingly popular way to earn money online, determined by the owner of the blog. They are very popular because blogs are usually written on a certain subject area, but can vary as its content is their simplicity to get up and running. There are many free websites out there that will help you set up your own blog if you choose to go
that wrote because blog plus advertisement is potential money. Article writing is also good money to earn money online. Make sure to gear your articles to promote and advertise your own business ventures. These articles are free way are free way to market the products and services you